First of all, I just want to take a moment and thank Jumbo and Delicious. One of the best burgers we've had in Tennessee. They are amazing, loving people. Thank you so much for sponsoring our first annual Burger Wars tour. We are going to the next spot. Okay, so we are at Farm Burger. I can't show you the outside because it's raining outside and everybody's trying to stay dry. Storm's coming. We've been running from it all day. Take a look here. This is grass-fed beef. A lot of people have said the Farm Burger's worth it. It's kind of a chain restaurant. So let's take a look and see what we got. What are we looking at here, guys?
I have no idea.
They have milkshakes. We need their best burger and their best fries. We're half beef fries. Here's the menu.
There you go. Here's their number one, the Farm Burger. Aged white cheddar, caramelized onions, farm burger sauce, and pasture raised bacon.
That's the one. We'll get that.
Okay.
We want the fries.
We'll get that bacon for $2 more.
The fries and the milkshake.
Yep.
That'll work it.
Yeah, they're okay. So their Farm Burger fries is the garlic herb with Parmesan.
Oh, that's what you told us.
Yeah,
Get
so we'll get that.
fries.
Yep.
Garlic ones, yeah.
Yep. So we'll get the Farm Burger with the bacon and the farm burger fries.
Garlic, right?
Yeah. And then their shakes.
And they have wine, draft beer like everybody else. All that stuff. They have floats and milkshakes.
So they have vanilla, chocolate. You said we're getting chocolate this time? Where's it gonna go?
All right, well, Tammy is ordering right now. Let's take a look at the table. Silverware is in a glass. Ketchup, mustard, straws. Is that hot sauce? Is that their own little hot sauce thing?
Pepper vinegar.
Pepper vinegar. That's cool. And you got paper towels, and you got the same setup over there. Everybody's joining us, and we have placemats. And we've already showed you the menu, so all we got to do now is take a look at the food. Hey, dude. Is it warm in here for you?
It's warm, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, it's a little warm in this restaurant.
Let's slide this back a little.
So good thing we got some water going on.
Huh?
Good thing we all got water. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what water looks like. Look at that. How is your water?
Delicious.
You reviewed that water real well. Thank you.
Where are you going to put this?
Move the basket. Move the basket. Just stick right there.
Be careful. That basket's hot. Okay. That's our burger. That's an awfully small burger. Can you find it? All the fries.
Thank you.
Oh, we got the garlic fries, we got the burger, and we got the shake going. Mitch, you want to go first or what? You want to?
No, go ahead. GINA.
You want to try it?
We got to cut the burger again.
$21.
Where's the knife? You got one?
I'm going to taste
Is there a
the
knife?
fry.
We got it.
Good.
Gina's gonna taste the fry
All right, you do a fry. We got garlic fries.
Garlic fry. Very good.
Look at the smiles. She loves her garlic. All right, cool.
Tastes good.
How about you on that shake? You want to do the shake? Mitch, you're working on. Oh, he's working on something. No, it's okay. Yeah, we gotta try that shake. It's a little warm in here. I don't want the shake to go down. Like, I don't want them to get.
It's pretty thick.
It's pretty thick.
Yeah, and they just pulled out of it. It's like a soft serve too, but it's still not thin.
But it's thicker than the
Yeah,
last
it's thicker.
one, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Here you go, Gina.
All right, you wanna?
Okay, now you're gonna film the.
Ready?
You ready?
Okay. This is
That smells good, the garlic.
It smells great.
That's a one-biter.
Okay, before I eat this, I just want to let you know, it's small. For a $10 burger, Jumbo Delicious gives you Jumbo and Delicious. Way bigger than this. So this has got to be really high-end stuff. Ready? Here we go.
Bite size.
Literally.
Try the bacon.
Gotta try the bacon.
You're gonna
with
use
it.
bacon? Try that.
You got it?
That's it from that one right there.
Taste the
Wrong
ketchup.
with it? Yeah, it's nasty.
It's a little sour. It's like fermented. Okay, so Tammy just put some ketchup down there on the paper, and it's fermenting. I guarantee they build these bottles and they don't marry them right. If you keep putting oh my God,
Sorry.
dude,
It just didn't work.
It just upside down.
I
What
kind
is
of will.
wrong with your brain
Told
cells?
you. Wait, they told you don't do that. They said you can't
Dude, it was
turn
really
over
hard at the
shakes.
bottom.
Hey, that's why the bottom's still there.
But at
The
least
top's
it's-
all on the table.
But
Oh my
solid.
God. Okay, good job, dude. That was.
So sorry. God.
Don't worry about it. Okay, let me explain to you one more time. You can't turn them upside down. They told us you can't turn them upside
It
down.
didn't go upside down. It was like halfway.
But it was
Hey.
solid.
It
was
poured
upside
out.
down, the whole cup would be
The whole
gone.
thing would be empty.
Oh,
You're right.
okay.
Now that you're all embarrassed for spilling the shake on the table, dude. That's too funny.
That was bad.
I'll let Gina go first. You ready to go first? All right, run down the 3 items.
I'm looking. What is it?
I liked it.
Amazing.
Burger was good. I don't have that much farm. What is it called?
Farm appeal.
Farm. I don't.
Oh, grass-fed beef, right?
Yeah, grass fed.
Doesn't mean anything to you.
No,
Oh, really?
but it
Okay.
was good. Fries were delicious.
That's why the burger was $10 because of grass-fed beef.
Mitch spilled the shake, so
That was funny. I enjoyed that.
It's different.
Mitch,
So I cleaned it up. Sorry, I made a mess.
what do you think?
It's for me. I mean, the beef was good. It tasted good, but the burger's way too small. It is way too small. The fries were absolutely. I thought the fries were really good. The value was great on them. Shake was decent. It's okay, but
What you got out of it?
yeah, what I got out of it exactly. But yeah, I mean, I wasn't a huge fan of the burger. Not really. So,
Would you come back?
not to this one. I mean, we have one in Nashville, so I've been there, and yeah, actually, honestly, I've never been back to that one since the first time I went either. So must not have been a big impression.
All right.
So probably not.
Thank you. All right, babe. What'd you think?
The burger was really dry. The bacon on it was good, but the burger was dry. The fries were pretty good. A lot of garlic, which I love, but it doesn't really hold the garlic flavor when you have them. So like it's there and it's gone. So that's pretty much, the shake was okay, it's a shake. So nothing spectacular.
Average shake, right?
Average shake.
Okay. This is a chain restaurant. We're paying for location. That's why we're paying high prices. It's a subpar shake. The ketchup was sour because they're probably marrying them wrong. They're putting ketchup on top of ketchup. The burger's small. The French fries, that's a whole nother story. I would come back for the fries. Would you guys come back for the fries? If you wanted a good appetizer, share it with your friends. The garlic fries are the bomb. They're really, really good. Check the ketchup, make sure it's not fermenting, okay? Anyway, I probably won't be back. It hit our list, but I can get a better burger at Chili's. All right? And I have got a cheaper and better burger at Chili's. And I'll probably go back to Joe Malo's for my burger, but not here. So farm burger, get in, hit it. But we'll see you on the next time. Take care. Bye-bye.